How much should you actually spend on a rotary laser level? Some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but return the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting how price doesn't always guarantee quality. Product number 1, Motavirus Self-Leveling Laser Level. First up is the Motavirus Self-Leveling Laser Level. Priced at just $39.99, its popularity is hard to ignore with over 9,000 units sold last month. If you want a reliable laser level that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. What makes the Motavirus stand out is its ultra-bright green beam. Compared to standard red lasers, it's 4 times brighter, making it easy to see even in well-lit conditions. It can project up to 100 feet with an impressive accuracy of plus or minus 1/9 inch at 33 feet. This means if you're tiling or hanging pictures, you're not guessing where that line should go. One feature I really appreciate is the dual mode, self-leveling and manual. In self-leveling mode, it alerts you if the surface is tilted beyond 4 degrees, which could save you from some frustrating mistakes. An included tripod extends from 15 to 46 inches, giving you flexibility at different heights. Now, some users mentioned that the protective acrylic window can cause tiny gaps in the laser lines. Here's the thing though, this doesn't affect accuracy, and it's pretty common with laser levels. If you're okay with that, this is still a solid option. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking for an affordable, easy-to-use tool. Skip this if you need something for heavy-duty professional use. Overall, for $39.99, you're getting a lot of value here. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more power, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 2, HUPAR 3D Level Laser Tool. Next is the HUPAR Laser Level 360, retailing at $85.99. With a solid 4.6-star rating and over 1,700 reviews, it's clear this one has a lot of happy users. If you're after a combination of features and performance, you might want to check this out. The HUPAR boasts 3 360-degree laser lines, which means you can cover the entire room without needing to reposition the tool. It has an impressive working range of 98 feet and can extend to 200 feet with the outdoor pulse mode. This is essential for projects where precision matters, like installing cabinets or ceilings. Its rechargeable battery lasts up to 8 hours, and it charges through a Type-C port. Super convenient. Plus, the strong magnetic bracket allows for quick setups on metal surfaces, which is a big time saver during installation. However, a few users did notice that it struggles near reflective surfaces, leading to multiple laser lines. But honestly, if you're mindful of your environment, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or serious DIYer who values versatility and needs something robust. Skip this one if you're only doing occasional small projects. At this price point, it offers great features for the investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger job sites. Product number 3, Topkin RL H5A Self-Leveling Laser. Coming in at the higher end is the Topkin RL H5A, priced at $609. With a 4.6-star rating and a solid reputation, this is a heavy-duty tool for serious construction work. If you're working on large job sites, you might want to consider this. This laser covers an impressive 2,600 feet in diameter, with a precision of 1/16 inch at 100 feet. Talk about accuracy. The self-leveling feature means you just press a button and get to work, which is perfect for busy sites where time is money. It's rugged too, with an IP66 rating, meaning it's dust-proof and water-resistant. You can drop it or work in the rain, and it won't let you down. It also has an incredible battery life of up to 100 hours, which is a lifesaver on large projects. However, it is a significant investment, and some might find the price steep for smaller jobs. If you're not frequently working on large-scale projects, you might not get your money's worth. But if you are, it's absolutely worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a professional contractor handling demanding jobs. Skip this if you're just doing smaller home renovations. For serious work, it offers reliability and performance that justifies the cost. Now, if that price made you think twice, the next product is a great balance of features and affordability. Product number 4. Spectra Precision LL300N1 Laser Kit. Next up is the Spectra Precision LL300N1 Laser Kit, priced at $1,084. With a 4.7 star rating and nearly 1,000 reviews, it's a top choice for professionals. If you want a complete leveling solution, this could be it. What I love about this kit is that it comes with everything you need: a tripod, receiver, and a durable carry case. The automatic self-leveling feature is super easy to use, and you can set it up quickly, which is crucial when you're on a clock. It's also designed for rugged job sites, featuring a hard hat design that protects against drops and harsh weather, boasting an IP66 rating. This means it's reliable even in the toughest conditions. Plus, it has fewer mechanical parts, which means less that can go wrong. Some users pointed out that the price is a hurdle for smaller businesses or DIYers. I get that, it's definitely an investment. But honestly, if you're serious about your work, the efficiency and durability can pay off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor needing a reliable, complete kit. Skip this if you're just tackling small home projects. It's a big purchase, but the quality is top-notch. Now, if you're looking for something that's more budget-friendly but still packs a punch, let's check out the final product. Product number 5, WEIDW Laser Level with Tripod. Finally, we have the WEIDW Laser Level with Tripod, priced at $58.99. This one's getting attention with a solid 4.4 star rating and over 1,300 sales last month. If you need something affordable that can still get the job done, this is worth considering. This laser level features a self-leveling function and manual mode, making it versatile for various tasks like picture hanging and tiling. It comes with 2 lithium batteries, each lasting 3 to 4 hours, so you're looking at a total of 6 to 8 hours of use. That's pretty decent for the price. The included tripod and remote control make it user-friendly, especially when you're working solo. It's compact and easy to store, which is a plus for people with limited space. However, some users mentioned that the green line might not be as bright as more expensive models. Here's the thing though, for casual DIY projects, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're just getting started with home projects and need something budget-friendly. Skip this if you're a pro needing high-end features. At this price, it's a solid entry-level option. Now that we've gone through all 5, let's wrap things up with a quick comparison. To sum it up, if you're looking for an affordable option, the Motavara and WEIDW are great starting points. For those who need more features, the Hupar stands out. If you're tackling large projects, the Topkin and Spectra Precision offer robust solutions. Whatever your needs, there's a Rotary laser level for you.